Hello everyone, I'm opening 6 packs of Obsidian Flames today. Why don't you wait around to see if we pull something good? I'll leave it here. And let's get you... So I cleaned up the phone a little, unlike last time, where it was quite messy. And I also pulled a Pidgeotto last time. That Tinkle, more. Oh, there's a gold card. Altaria, Letter of Encouragement. Oh, Basic Energy, Fire. Oh, and another Poppy. Oh, my cat's name is Poppy. Woohoo! Double whammy, baby. And here's a code card as a celebratory. I shall sleeve both of these. One gold card out of 36 packs. And one full art Poppy card. Check out Poppy. I should show you my cat. Her name is Miss Poppy Mojam.